Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create your new account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of map interface. Now, in order to change the language, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the given menu, find settings and tap on it. Now that you're in the settings page, you can see the globe icon that says English. This represents your current language, so tap on it to change the language. Here you can find different language options that you can choose from. There are very limited languages, so you can only choose between English, Jewish, Spanish and Portuguese. So you can select the language that you want to change to. Once you select your preferred language, tap on this OK button, and there you go. The language will be changed on your Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple process to change language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.